Generating a project's PDF. On the Projects List page, there is a feature that allows you to generate a PDF list of projects. This PDF serves as a printer or email-friendly version of the list of selected projects. To generate the PDF, follow 3 simple steps. First, navigate to the Projects page from the Explorer sidebar by clicking on Projects and then Projects. Next, select the project you wish to include in the PDF. This can be done by pressing the tick next to the project or by clicking and dragging to select multiple projects that are adjacent to each other. If you wish to select all the projects in the list, you can just click at the top. Now, in the top right of the page, press the Generate Projects PDF button. Enter the email address you want the PDF to be sent to and click OK. After approximately 10 to 30 seconds, you will receive an email with a link to the Generated Projects PDF. Click on the link and you will see the PDF with your selected projects.